D from the Donklesworth tree. A Bible-toting donkey storytelling's my spree. With the hee-haw here and a tail that sways, I've got famous kin from back in the day.
Howdy who, I'm Dusty D. Donklesworth, explorer, storyteller, and your official guide to the wildest, truest tales in the Bible, told straight from the donkey's mouth. Miracles? I've seen 'em. Prophets carried a few. Talking animals? A hymn? Clearly. So grab your gear, saddle up your spirit, and let's hoof it through the Word. Welcome, welcome. You've stumbled into the sacred archives of donkey lore. Yes, that's right. All the greatest donkey stories this side of Bethlehem. Jawbone Justice. The legend of Samson narrates the epic battle where Samson defeats 1,000 Philistines. Moral message: God can turn the ordinary into a mighty tool for justice.
Name's Jarence of Arabia Donklesworth, explorer, relic, and yes, former donkey mandible. One day I was chewing figs. Next thing I know, I'm a legendary battle weapon. Go figure.
Why are you spinning like that?
It's fun, and I can't get dizzy. You should try it.
No, I just ate lunch. I'll pass.
It's about him, Samson, the man with the hair, the glare, and the holy strength to match. I'll never forget the day we met. There he stood, Samson, tall as a camel, built like a stone wall, with wild hair that hadn't seen a comb since he was born. And me? I was just lying in the dirt, minding my own fossilized business, when he picked me up like a burrito on battle day.
Bring it.
And then, oh boy, the Philistines came screaming like toddlers without snacks.
Hoo boy, enjoying the story? Be sure to smash the like button, share, and press the subscribe button. And hey, drop a comment below. Do you prefer more narration or more character dialogue in the stories? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for your support. You make this journey possible. Now back to the story.
Samson performs a stylized martial arts flip, sweeping enemies with the jawbone. They fly through the air in comic fashion. Crack, smack, pachow. I was like holy nunchuck with attitude. 1,000 enemies, one hairy hero, one very busy donkey bone. He didn't win because of me. I was just a tool. He won because God was with him. And that, my friend, is the real power. You see, it ain't about what you hold. It's about who holds you. God turned a dusty donkey jawbone into a weapon of justice. Imagine what he could do with you.
Thank you, Cousin Jarence of Arabia Donklesworth. Good story. Remember to subscribe, smash the like button, share with 3 of your favorite people, and leave your thoughts about the story. Thank you. Your strength is not in what you hold, but who holds you. All together, armor up now, stand bold, move fearless.